Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add more of your trimmer line to your weed eater. This is just a picture of what I use. This is made by Rhino Tough trim line. It's 0.095 inch. It also comes with a bonus cutter that you can use to cut your trim line. You want to start off with a 10-foot piece of line. I've already cut it off for you. And then what you want to do is you want to push on the two little tabs here on your weed eater. And then you want to make sure your holes are lined up. This part here has holes as well. So you want to make sure that's lined up. And then you want to take one end of your string, push it in, and then it's going to come out the other side. Once you do that, you want to just take both ends of your string and line it up like that. Once you do, you can kind of just hold it tight and pull until you get it pretty close to even. It don't have to be perfect. Once you get it even, then you can just line up your tabs on your weed eater again, push it in, and then you want to hold this base here, and as you hold the base, you want to turn this part clockwise, and this pulls in your string nice and tight. And then you want to keep on doing it till you get about 6 inches left. You want to be just past the razor blade that cuts your string. So that's about where you want it right there. And this is a home light weed eater, but pretty much will work on any weed eater. But also please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see any more videos on different things, post your comments below. Thanks.